Welcome back. Today, we're using AI to write real automation scripts. If you've never written code before, this is your starting point. Here's the scenario. You're a help desk technician, and you get the same request every week. A user needs their password reset, and you have to log the action in the ticketing system. That's tedious. Let's use AI to automate it. Open ChatGPT or Claude and write this prompt. Write a PowerShell script that prompts the technician for a username, resets their Active Directory password to a temporary value, unlocks the account, and outputs a summary suitable for pasting into a ticket. Include comments explaining each step. The AI will generate a complete script with error handling, comments, and a clean output format. You won't be able to run it as is. You'll need to verify the CMLDT names, test in a lab environment, and adjust for your specific Active Directory setup. But the AI gave you a working draft in seconds that would have taken you an hour to write from scratch. That's the power. You don't need to be a developer. You need to know how to describe what you want. Review what the AI produces and test it safely. The AI is your junior developer. You're the senior who reviews the code. Important rule: never run an AI-generated script in production without testing it first in a lab. AI can and does make mistakes.